Welcome to my channel Om Lifestyle and Decor.
Preview, 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 preview.
Today we will do a short decorating session with champagne glasses. We will also decorate a matching candle for the setup. Along the way, we'll let you know a few interesting facts about the champagne glasses, and at the end we'll share cleaning and maintenance tip for the glasses. So stay tuned. For decorating a pair of champagne glasses, need some half pearl beads, very small silver beads and Fevicol all fix glue. You can buy them from Amazon also. I'll share the link for them in the description section below. First of all, draw the pattern on the glass using highlighter. Spread glue using a small paintbrush as per the design. Spread the small silver beads on the glue and fix small half pearl beads in between. Repeat same steps to cover the pattern and your exclusive glasses are ready. Champagne does taste different depending on the glass you drink it out of, say scientists, and long tall flutes are the best way to enjoy fizz. The reason is that much higher levels of carbon dioxide released by bubbles in the glass collect at the top of a flute. Another interesting point is, in France they say you shouldn't wash your champagne glasses, It seems the particles of dust we are in such a hurry to do away with are actually the secret ingredient to that lovely festive effervescence. Strictly speaking, more bubbles form as the champagne makes contact with the imperfections and speckles of dust on the interior of a champagne glass. Now for a candle to complete the look, you will need a pillar candle, an old CD, a chart paper, string of stones, few small fabric flowers and glue. Cover the opposite side of the CD neatly with the chart paper. Fix a single line of stone string on the edges. Now on the base of the pillar candle, fix the stone string and fix the candle at the center of the CD. Add a few small fabric flowers and your centerpiece is ready to add charm to any party. But I know we will not be able to use the glasses at home without cleaning them properly. So while cleaning the champagne glasses, line the sink with a dish towel and fill warm water, not hot. The soft lining helps to prevent cracks or breaks. Use a mild detergent to wash out the glasses one at a time. Rinse with a vinegar water solution and sanitize. To remove the buildup caused by calcium and magnesium ions in the hard water, start by swabbing the glass with acetone or nail polish remover and then scrub gently with a mild detergent. Soaking the glasses in plain white distilled vinegar is another effective home remedy. But while cleaning these decorated glasses, just wipe them with a damp soft napkin. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. For more such creative and budget-friendly ideas, do subscribe to my channel. Keep watching and don't forget to share your feedback. Thank you. Have a great day.